Hello friends, in this video I am going to present some ideas about creating a cost-effective restaurant management app using fully open source technologies. If you are a power user or know even a little bit about computers, you will find this very helpful. Now this is how a typical restaurant works. This waiter person here writes the order on a piece of paper and manually communicates with the chef here. After that, they must keep checking at frequent intervals whether it's ready to serve or not. Thus, a lot of manual back and forth is happening here. Now imagine a web-based app instead for taking that order. A proper system where all these users will have a role and the orders will have status codes stored on a centralized computer on your network. It can save you a lot of time and create a system for automated billing and reporting. This is much more than a POS system. This is the automation of the entire workflow or the process. You must have basic PC skills like installing a software, editing files, etc. The users must have an Android phone with a web browser. Mostly everyone has it these days. I think it will be hard to find someone who doesn't. You need a PC on the cashier desk which is going to act as the local server here. Again, pretty much a given in most restaurants. You also need a local Wi-Fi network or hotspot. If you don't have it, you can use one of the phones to create one. Coming to the technology stack, this technology isn't rocket science. The client-server architecture is as old as the hills. No installation needed on the client side. A web browser like Chrome is usually pre-installed, which can be used to access the app from this server. You only need a local hotspot or wireless LAN, that's it. You can also install this on a remote cloud instance on the internet, but that would make sense only if you are a big chain of restaurants. Now all these are open source technologies, open source components which can be used to build this app. They are all robust and time tested. PHP is the programming language which does most of the stuff here. PHP was used to build Facebook, Wikipedia, WordPress and many others. It's easily the best, at least in the open source world. In fact, you don't even need internet to run this app. It's just one-time download and install of these components on this main server. That's it. Some PHP scripting is needed to code this app using these components. You can hire a freelance programmer if you can't do it yourself. Now your workflow will be efficient with the app, but ROI will depend on how crowded your restaurant is and how much time is typically wasted in that back and forth interactions. Only you can decide or estimate how much that could be. You get the usual benefits of a POS system like bill generation and printing. Now since we are coding this from scratch, it can be fully customized to suit your exact processes. When you buy a ready-made COTS product, you can't usually do that. Now apart from basic reports like daily sales or turnover, you can also get efficiency reports to know the average order serving time, processing time, etc. You can apply all kinds of data analysis on the system. For example, you can fetch employee-wise data to know which employee takes more time in processing an order compared to others. This is just one example, of course. You can think of many others. Now I have already written some code for this, and these are some screenshots of the app running on a mobile browser. So login screen, register, dashboard, dashboard side menu, order listing, create order, product selection, bill printing, efficiency chart, and sales report. So if you are interested in this idea or vision and want to hire me for coding this, you can write to me at this email address here. If you want me to create more DIY videos on any other topic, then please comment below on this video and let me know. And yeah, a thumbs up please if you like this. Thank you and have a nice day.